Baby, make that air clap. Drop it to the floor, make that air clap. Round of applause, baby, make that air clap. Drop it to the floor, make that air clap. Let me see you bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, baby. Drop it to the floor and bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Drop it down and jump. Bounce that, like the twerk team. Hair long, hair fat, shouting me. That girl look like Holly Berry when I'm on the when I hit the scene, girls yelling and they scream.
Start off with a little light cardio. All right. Give me 25. No nice little jump. Okay. Nice little jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. First, give me some arm circles. Here we go. 1, 2. Pull that stomach in as tight as you can. Okay. Okay. And as you go down, you come back up and get on your tippy toes. Okay. You're going to work your calf muscles at the same time. Count your own set of 10 because everybody's 10 is going to be different. Okay. Hold that stomach in tight, and then I will count 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Make the workout yours because it is. 4. Everybody's body is different, so take your time. 5, 6. Take your time. 7, 8. Woo. I mean, falling over. Take your time. 9. You're working your calf muscles as well. And 10. Give me the 12, you guys. Take your time. 11 and 12. Here we go. Drop those weights. Let's make sure those legs are still together. All right, you guys. We got this. You can do anything, okay? Pace. You come, bring it up, come down, bring it up, okay? You got this. 1. Let's see if we can get a good angle. 2. Don't worry about looking silly. Don't worry about getting off balance. You got it. 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Drop those weights. Shake your arms out. Make sure you grab yourself something to drink. Come on, come down. As you come down, come up, bicep curl. You go on your dumbbells like this, or you can turn them around. Whatever that makes it easy for you. How about we alternate that? Okay, now we know what to do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Give me 12, 11. Very good. And 12. Drop those dumbbells. Shake it out. Shake it out. Move your feet around. Whew. Let's get it done. Hold that stomach get tight. We got this, y'all. We're only human trying to keep our bodies together. Here we go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Be careful. 9 and 10. Patient. 11 and 12. Drop those weights safely there. Shake it out. Shake it out. Grab a lot. Let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9. You got it. Very good. 10, 11. Last one. And 12. Safely drop those weights. You never want to hurt yourself. Shake it out. Give yourself a little rest. Grab something to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Boom. Safely put them down. Shake them out. You're doing good. All right. 4. Very good. 5, 6. Take your time. 7, 8. Take your time. 9, 10, 11, whew, and 12. Oh, God, merciful. All right, shake it out. All right, you guys. Okay.